Hello, and welcome to English Leap, Everyday Spoken English. I am Lauren, and today I am so happy you're here with us.
And I am Ethan. Hi, everyone. Welcome, welcome, welcome. We are so glad you pressed play today.
So in today's episode, we are going to learn how to talk about yourself in English. Very simple, very useful. This is one of the most important things you can learn.
That's right. Think about it. Every time you meet someone new, the first thing you do is introduce yourself. You say your name, you say where you are from, you talk a little about your life.
Exactly. And today, we will teach you exactly how to do that in English, step by step. Nice and slow. Okay, are you ready? Let's start.
Okay, step 1. Your name. This is the very first thing you say when you meet someone. It is simple and easy. You just say, "My name is," and then you say your name.
Right. So, for example, I would say, "My name is Lauren." That's it. Short and clear.
My name is Ethan. You can also say, "I am Ethan." Both are correct, both are natural. So remember, my name is or I am.
And after you say your name, a very nice thing to say is, "Nice to meet you." It is friendly, it is warm, people love to hear it.
Yes, nice to meet you. Such a simple phrase, but so powerful. Okay, step 2. Where are you from? This is one of the most common questions in English.
And the answer is very easy. You say, "I am," and then you say your country or your city. For example, "I am from Mexico," or "I am from Tokyo."
I could say, "I am from New York," or even more specific, "I am from a small town in Texas." But don't worry, just saying your country is perfectly fine. Simple is great.
Totally. Don't overthink it. Just say, "I am from," and your country or city. You are doing great. Let's keep going.
Step 3. Your job or your studies. This is so useful. People often ask, "What do you do?" And they want to know if you work or if you are a student.
Right. So if you are a student, you say, "I am a student." Simple, right? You can also say what you study. For example, "I am a student, I study English," or "I study medicine."
And if you have a job, you say, "I work as a," and then your job. For example, "I work as a teacher," or "I work as a nurse," or "I work as an engineer."
You can also just say, "I am a teacher," or "I am a doctor." Both ways are perfectly correct. Pick the one that feels easier for you.
Exactly. And don't worry if your job is hard to say in English. You could always say, "I work in a shop," or "I work in an office." That is totally fine.
Great point. Okay, now step 4. This is a fun one. Your hobbies and interests. People love to talk about what they enjoy doing. It makes conversations warm and friendly.
Yes, and the phrases are so simple. You say, "I like," or "I enjoy," and then the activity. For example, "I like music," or "I enjoy cooking," or "I like watching movies."
Right. I could say, "I like reading books," or "I enjoy going for walks." You can talk about sports, food, art, travel, anything you love.
And a great extra phrase is, "In my free time, I like to." For example, "In my free time, I like to play football." That sounds very natural and fluent.
Oh, I love that phrase. In my free time, I like to... Remember that one. It is really useful. Okay, so now let's put it all together. Ethan, can you give a full introduction?
Hi, my name is Ethan. I am from New York. I work as a teacher. I like music and I enjoy cooking. Nice to meet you.
Oh, that was so good. Did you hear that? Short sentences, clear words, easy to understand. That is exactly what you should aim for. Now let me try. Hello, my name is Lauren. I am from California. I am a teacher. In my free time, I enjoy reading and listening to music. Nice to meet you.
That was perfect, Lauren. See, it is not complicated. You use simple phrases, you speak clearly, and you sound great. You can do this too. We believe in you.
Okay, now it is time for our favorite part of the episode. It is called Repeat After Us. This is where you practice speaking out loud. Yes, out loud. Don't be shy. Speaking is the best way to learn.
That's right. We will say a phrase slowly. Then there will be a short pause. And in that pause, you say it. Ready? Let's go. First phrase. Listen, then repeat.
My name is...
Resin.
I am from...
You are doing so well. Keep going. Next phrase.
I am a student.
I work as a...
Wonderful. Now this one.
I enjoy...
In my free time, I like to...
And our last one. This is a classic. Listen carefully and repeat.
Nice to meet you.
Yes, amazing! You just practiced all the key phrases for introducing yourself in English. That is a huge step. You should feel really proud of yourself right now.
I am so proud of you. Now here is a little challenge. Can you put all the phrases together and say your own full introduction? Try it right now out loud. Say your name, say where you are from, say your job or studies, say one thing you like, and end with nice to meet you.
Go ahead. We'll wait for you.
That was wonderful. Seriously, every time you speak English out loud, you get better, even just a little bit. And little by little, you will become confident.
Absolutely. Okay, let's do a quick review of everything we learned today. We learned 5 things. Number 1, how to say your name. My name is, or I am.
And now we have a few bonus phrases for you. These small extras will make your introduction sound even more natural and friendly. Number 2, how to say where you are from. I am from, and your country or city.
The first bonus phrase is, it's nice to meet you too. When someone says, nice to meet you to you, you reply with, nice to meet you too. It is polite, warm, and totally natural. This little phrase makes a big difference in any first conversation.
Number 3, how to talk about your job or studies. I am a student, or I work as a, followed by your job.
Here is another great one. If you have a nickname, you can say, my name is Michael, but please call me Mike. Or, my name is Elizabeth, but everyone calls me Liz. This sounds very friendly and relaxed. It helps people feel comfortable with you right away. Number 4, how to talk about your hobbies. I like, or I enjoy, or in my free time, I like to...
And one last bonus tip. After you finish your introduction, you can keep the conversation going by asking, what about you? So you say your name, your country, your job, and then you ask, what about you? It shows you are curious and friendly. People really appreciate that. It turns a short introduction into a real conversation. And number 5, a warm and friendly phrase to end an introduction. Nice to meet you. Never forget that one. It always makes people smile.
Those 5 things are your foundation, your starting point. Once you can introduce yourself clearly, you open the door to every other English conversation.
That's so true. And our tip for this week is practice your introduction every single day. Say it when you wake up. Say it in the mirror. Say it to a friend. The more you say it, the more natural it will feel.
Yes, practice is the secret. You do not need to be perfect. You just need to keep going. Every mistake is a step forward. Every time you try, you grow.
We really mean that. Learning a new language is brave, and you are doing it. That is something to be proud of.
Thank you so much for listening to today's episode of English Leap, Everyday Spoken English. We hope you enjoyed it and learnt something new.
If you liked this episode, please share it with a friend who is also learning English, and come back next time for more simple, fun, everyday English lessons.
I am Lauren. Take care, keep practicing, and remember, you are doing amazing.
And I am Ethan. See you next time. Goodbye, everyone, and good luck with your English.